Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to change screensaver on your DREAME 43Q100 TV. To change your screensaver, first press the gear button on the remote control and then go to all settings from here. Scroll down to System and in System select Ambient Screensaver. Now, in this menu, we can select the photo channels or the media channels channel for our screensaver, and we can choose between Google Photos, Art Gallery, or custom AI art that we can create ourselves. So just select where you want to take your artworks from, and then in more settings, we'll be able to adjust the weather. So we can select the units we want to show the weather in. So either Celsius or Fahrenheit or both, or just hide the weather completely by selecting the respective option. In time, we can decide whether or not we want to show the time on this screensaver screen. In personal photo data, we can decide whether we want to show the author's name, the author of the photo's name. And in portrait Google Photos, we can decide how we want to show the portrait photos from Google Photos if you selected Google Photos in channels. So we can either hide them completely, or we can show them normally, leaving the black areas on the sides of the image. Or we can show them in pairs by selecting the last option here. In personal photo curation, we can select which albums we want to see from Google Photos. And in slideshow speed, we can adjust the frequency of the pictures changing on the screensaver. And to see the preview, select Start Now at the very top of this menu, and you'll see what your screensaver looks like right now. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.